Hey guys, editing and extracting information from PDFs can be a hassle. Whether it's locked text, outdated information, or bulky content, dealing with PDFs often requires jumping through hoops to make simple changes. Imagine if there were a tool that could effortlessly handle PDF documents, allowing you to extract, edit, and restructure text in a few clicks. The goal is to turn PDF management into a smooth, efficient process so that you can access and customize content without the usual frustration. Enter Tenorshare AI PDF, a powerful tool that makes PDF editing and text extraction incredibly simple. Using advanced AI, Tenorshare AI PDF can quickly analyze your document, letting you edit text, change formatting, and even extract specific information without complex tools or technical know-how. Whether you need to highlight important sections, adjust text layout, or pull out data for analysis, this tool saves time and reduces the headaches of handling PDF files. Without further ado, let's dive into Tenorshare AI PDF.
Welcome to techroot Solutions.
Go to Google and search tenorshare.ai, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of tenorshare.ai. Now click on ChatPDF. This free AI PDF summarizer allows you to chat with any PDF to unlock key insights. Start a conversation with any PDF file, such as an essay, ebook, manual, legal document, research paper, business report, or technical report, and instantly get insightful answers with the AI PDF summarizer. Tenorshare AI PDF includes over 50 official products, has more than 2 million active users, and boasts a 4.9-star rating with 20,000 reviews. It provides quick summaries and reads lengthy documents, so you don't have to spend hours scrolling through extensive PDFs. Tenorshare AI PDF can be your efficient solution. The Summarize AI feature extracts essential information for you. It's a revolutionary learning tool with interactive chat features to enhance learning efficiency. Study faster. It also provides a free daily trial, making it easy to use. Ask your PDF anything and get instant AI answers online with Tenorshare AI ChatPDF. Chat with any PDF and let it handle the time-consuming tasks of analysis and research. Interactive Q&A. Ask questions about an entire PDF document or form to get key information and answers easily. Streamlined file handling. Upload files faster with batch processing and upload up to 4 files at once. Clean and user-friendly interface. The neat interface provides a quick, easy look, making AI Chat PDF accessible. 2 easy steps to get answers with Tenorshare. AI Chat PDF Summarizer and Chatbot. First, upload your PDF file. Your documents will be securely and reliably protected. Ask your question, and the tool will help you find the answers swiftly and accurately. Tenorshare AI Chat PDF is the ultimate AI PDF reader and summarizer for everyone, offering a wealth of features to enhance your experience. Students can use this amazing AI tool to simplify studies by extracting key insights from academic papers and textbooks effortlessly. Business professionals save time with extensive business reports, technical manuals, and legal documents. Handle all PDF types and get results instantly. Writers and editors streamline their editing process by quickly referencing and extracting important details from long documents. Legal practitioners navigate contracts, case files, and legal documents efficiently, finding crucial information without hassle. Now go to the top and click on Start Chatting for free. You need to log in to Tenorshare AI Chat PDF. You can sign in with Google or email. I'm using a Google account to sign in. Now click or drag your PDF file here. Tenorshare AI Chat PDF only supports PDF files. Select the PDF file and then click Open. This is the main dashboard. On the right, you can add a new file, find files, and see the files you've worked on previously. This is the PDF file we selected titled Technology and Technique and Educational Perspective. On the left side, you can chat with your PDF file. There are many prompts, and you can also create your own. I'll click on the first one, the relationship between technology, society, and culture, and wait while it processes and extracts information from the PDF. Here you can see the result of your prompt. Now, to extract key points, write key points and press enter. It may take a moment to process. Here are 10 key points from your PDF. For a summary of the PDF, type summary and press enter. After processing, here's the result. At last, click on Pricing to discuss the pricing options for Tenorshare AI Chat PDF. Pick your perfect plan with high value and low cost. There are 3 plans: Free Plan, Pro Monthly, and Pro Annual. In the free plan, you can ask up to 30 questions per day with 3 files per month, max file size 36 megabytes, 20,000 tokens per day. In the Pro Annual plan, $4.16 per month billed annually, you can ask up to 500 questions per day with 500 files per month and over 1,000 K tokens per month. In the Pro Monthly plan, $4.99 per month, you get 500 questions per day and 2,000 pages per day with a 4-file collection limit. We hope you found the video helpful. If so, please share your thoughts in the comments section. For more AI-related content, don't forget to subscribe to TechRoot Solution. Thanks for tuning in. We can't wait to bring you more AI insights in our next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. See you soon.